Okay. So I'm gonna fix my Rubik's Cube. And I don't know which way I should fix it. I could fix it anyway. I could whack it with, like, my fist. Throw it behind my back. Oh. I could put it inside my hat. And then it'll come out fixed. Let me just mix it up. Next up, I'll show you in 2 seconds. My hat. Nothing. I'm gonna pick it up like this. Nothing. Okay. So, I'm putting it inside my hat. Okay? Okay, see? I got it. I'm not taking anything out. But what I'm going to do is going to pull it out when it's fixed. Okay. Okay. What's it? Just like this. Oh, well, that was inside. I'm just letting you know. It wasn't behind it. It looks like it wasn't behind it. See, I can push it. Fixed. I'm gonna leave one hand so I wouldn't be able to.